Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the pattern and behavior of buttons in TallyPrime and how to use these buttons to perform certain actions across transactions and reports. Tally brings in new features with each release. This leads to an addition of multiple actions which require more buttons to enable you perform the related actions. In TallyPrime, there are buttons using which you can perform multiple actions. You can press the visible shortcut key of the button to perform one action. And you can also press Ctrl and Alt keys and the respective key to perform other actions. Alternatively, you have an option to click the buttons or the arrow key provided adjacent to the buttons to perform the action as per your requirement. You can observe that the action with single underline is to be used in combination with Alt and that with double underline is to be used in combination with Control. To understand more, let's take an example. You want to view Daybook in the detailed format? Open Daybook. Press Alt G, type or select Daybook and press Enter. As you can see, there are buttons in the right button bar and bottom button bar to help you perform the respective actions. Press Ctrl. As you can see, other buttons have appeared and you can also view the keyboard shortcuts for the buttons. Similarly, when you press Alt, you can view more actions under buttons. For instance, to view the report in the detailed format, press Alt F5. Daybook is displayed in the detailed format. Press Alt again, you can see that the action Condensed has appeared. While the shortcut key Alt F1 to view a report in the detailed or condensed format is retained, the action is provided under F5 in the right button bar. Let's take another example to understand button behavior in TallyPrime. You may want to view ledger-wise debit and credit amount for sales vouchers. Press F4, type or select all sales voucher and press Enter. The list of all sales voucher appears. Press Alt and you can perform the actions that have appeared on the screen. You can see the action extract against F8. So, press Alt F8 to view the debit amount and credit amount for ledgers. Alternatively, you can also click the arrow key adjacent to F8 and then click Extract. Let's take another example of surrendering license in TallyPrime. Press F1, Settings, License, Manage License and then press Enter. The license information screen appears. You can see that the F7 button is inactive. Click the arrow key adjacent to the button and you can view the surrender option. As you can see, even the visibly inactive buttons have actions. These actions can be performed using the arrow key or combination of the key with Ctrl or Alt as applicable. Press Ctrl F7. You can then proceed and surrender the license. Some other examples of the actions grouped under a button are basis of valuation and go down type in the stock summary report clubbed under the F8 key. If you press Ctrl F8 in stock summary, you will be able to use the go down type option. In the voucher creation, you can observe that multiple voucher types are clubbed under a button based on their contextual usage. Receipt, credit note and rejections are clubbed under F6. Similarly, journal, stock journal and physical stock are clubbed under F7. As you saw, the way actions are grouped under buttons in TallyPrime. While the grouping of buttons enable a clutter-free experience, it brings consistency to the behavior of buttons across transactions and reports, which helps you learn faster. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, Visit help.tallysolutions.com.